know through the years the military, they've trusted Haartz to make fabrics for a lot of their vehicles, and now Haartz is making for all kinds of OEMs around the world. What are some of the bigger names that are using Haartz materials in the tops?
Essentially, you name it. We have Jeep, as you see here. The Bronco has our material on it, the Mustang. Chevrolet, for a long time, we had the Camaro and the Corvette. We have all of the European models, you know, BMW, Mini, Rolls-Royce, Porsche, Ferrari, you name it. They have our material on it.
And you mentioned Mini. It's not just when it comes to convertibles. We've all seen the Union Jack on the top of a lot of Minis out there. That's actually woven in to the top. And what involvement do you have with that?
So we've done a number of different special weaves over the years. The Fiat 500 is one that comes to mind. The 500 logo is on there. It's called Jacquard woven. So it's a very neat technology that we can bring to the table for the OEMs to, you know, make their vehicles unique.
Now, Phil, we mentioned some of the European OEMs using your fabric, so let's start here.
Yeah, so Sun and Land is our material that's made in Mannheim, Germany, and our plant there, and they are supplying the likes of Ferrari, Porsche, Mercedes, things like that.
That's a really good endorsement for you guys.
Yeah.
And let's move on down the line then.
Yeah, so we also supply a lot of companies with tonneau cover material. Road Gear is our line, so if you think of nose cover, bras, car bras, so we do those materials as well. And then we get into the convertible topping that we do. We also, not only do we do cloth, but we extrude vinyl. So we still make that as a restoration material that folks can buy if they want the original material from the car.
And we mentioned Stayfast, which is on this street rod, and trim shops and all kinds of automotive builders are using that.
Yep, right. So Stayfast is very popular in the aftermarket. Back when the OEMs switched away from vinyl, they mainly went to Stayfast, and then we invented Twillfast, which is kind of a higher end version of a Stayfast. It's got a twill weave pattern to it, which is a nicer look. Like this Jeep here has a Twillfast top on it. So the factory top comes from a company called Best Top. They supply Stellantis with the top. There is a company called Quadratech that's a Jeep company that has the Quadratop premium twill that are using our material for aftermarket. If you want to replace your top, you can call those guys and get the Haartz Twillfast that was made from the original top for the OEM.